So I've got this desk extension lid with USB slots, 5 AC sockets. We've got 4 USB-C, 2 PD 30 watts slots, 4 USB-As, and 1 switch. Let's unbox it and check it out. There we go, user manual. Screwdriver and some screws, and actual socket, of course. So that's how it looks like. As you can see, it's a desk one. You can connect it on the side of the desk, which I'll show you in a moment. We've got here the power button, and we've got these 5 sockets here with this nice, interesting fiberglass design. And then we have this 220 watts PD 20 watts USB-Cs. Then we've got this another 2 here, and then another 4 USB-As. And we've got the cable, which is about 1.8 meters long. So what I love about this is that it provides an all-in-one charging solution, because you can put the plugs, you can connect your monitor, your PS5, I have PS5, I'll show you in a moment, and then you can charge all your phones and accessories with these USBs, which is great. And then you can clamp it on the side of the desk to keep it close. Actually, I'll show you here on the other side. So here we go. That's how it sits here, and then you tighten this up. There we go. We tighten this up here, and then it's secure with the desk. It doesn't move, and you have all your plugs and your chargers right here. You can turn it on, turn it off, really easy and accessible. Now it's on, now it's off. Let's turn it on, plug a USB-C here, and plug a phone right here. As you can see, charging, and then turn it off. Now it's not charging anymore. And of course, we can try another one, charging as well, as you can see right here. And we can switch to the other side, charging. It says something there, but it's still charging. But this one is the best for this phone to charge. And of course, you can plug in a socket as well, like this one here. And charging.